Hi guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you how to make a dino game in Scratch. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I just changed the name to Dino. And as you can see, I have a dino here. I downloaded it from Google with a cactus. So let's start. Actually gave it 3 customers. The first one and the second one, there is 2 of them, and the third one, there is 3 of cactus. Now for this guy, we need to make his leg like that. And if you want, you can download it from Google. And that's okay. So you have to do the same thing with the other legs. Now I have all I want, and boom, we have a walk cycle. I will show you the rest in part 2. Make sure to watch all our videos and to subscribe. Thanks for watching.